Joanna, Joanna. Why you do me like Joanna?
If I was your woman, the things I did to was your girl, all the things I do to you, I make you call up my name, might ask who it belongs to. If I was your woman, the things I do to you, but I'm not, so I can't and I won't. But if I was your girl.
So I'm back and I'm actually just finished shampooing my hair, as you guys can see. Now it didn't get as bright as I would like it to have gotten, but it's okay. I am going to leave it like this for the next month or so, and then in a month I'm going to go ahead and dye it again. This time I might have to go ahead and just bleach it because I want it to be a lot lighter. But right now I am actually going ahead and doing a deep conditioning treatment on my hair, and I'm going to show you guys. So I don't have a dryer to sit under. I do have a blow dryer, but yeah, so I'll show you guys how I'm going to do my deep conditioning treatment. So you just get your favorite deep conditioner. Sorry, I need to wash my hands. Get your favorite deep conditioner. I already put the conditioner on my hair, as you guys can tell. Here's the conditioner all throughout my hair. I'm actually going to use some olive oil miracle anti-breakage because I have been getting a lot of breakage in my locks. Olive and tea tree growth oil treatment, and I'm going to put this throughout my hair, mainly trying to get this on my scalp to help the process. I had just plain tea tree oil. I don't even know where it's at, and I don't feel like looking for it right now, so yeah. Now I don't know if I told you guys in my previous video, but my hair is freshly washed. Yeah, so I use this for both me and my daughter's hair. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some in my hand so I can get it throughout my edges too, not just throughout my ends, not my edges, my ends. And yeah, edges, rub it in. Do I need any more conditioner in my hair? I don't know. I feel like I'm about to put some more conditioner in my hair. And yeah, so I'm just getting this all in. All right, so that is in there. Now after you put in your deep conditioner, and you can use an oil of your choice, if you would like to add oil to your deep conditioning treatment, I am. So after I've done those two, you can take a plastic cap. I can't find the plastic cap that I bought, and I don't feel like looking for it or waiting longer, so I'm going to use good old trusty plastic bag. And okay. There, all in there, all in there. I'm most likely gonna do this. I'm most likely gonna do this overnight, so you don't have to, but I am, because I did just dye my hair and I am getting some breakage on my ends from not properly taking care of my previous dye job. So yeah, so I do that. Alright, so if you don't have a plastic cap, that's what you do. I'll be back to show you guys the next step. Okay guys, in this next part, please be careful. I don't know if you guys can even see the steam coming off this thing, but this thing is hot. So I'm gonna put it on the top of my head. So what I did is I took a wash rag, or you can take any type of wash rag, towel, whatever. I went ahead and I wet it, and then I put it inside of the microwave, and then I put it on top of the bag. And I'm gonna go ahead and take another bag. So I can trap that heat and put that on my head as well. I know I'm looking crazy, but this works. So, so now that heat is getting on my head, and then I'm going to take a bonnet and put that on my head. You can let your ears out as well, but yeah. So now I have heat circulating through my head while I'm doing my deep conditioning after I have went ahead and dyed my hair. Stay tuned to the next video, you guys. I don't think this is going to be in this video, but in the next video I'll show you guys my results. But thank you for watching this video. Thank you for taking the time to sit with me as I went ahead and dyed my hair, as well as deep conditioned it, and showing you guys the process. It is a little, I can feel the heat, but that's good. That means it's penetrating through and it's getting my hair, so that's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and deep condition overnight. You do not have to, but I am going to, just because I would like to make sure that my hair is nice and soft in the morning. Again, stay tuned to part 2, and you guys will see how my hair looks after deep conditioning from doing my dye job. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.